Welcome to this installation video for your AGD326 pedestrian on-crossing detector. Our high-performance 326 radar has been purpose-designed for the detection and monitoring of both pedestrians and cyclists crossing the road at signalized intersections and crossings where the detection of moving pedestrians is required. As well as incorporating our unique Wi-Fi AGD touch setup technology to get you started quickly and safely, the AGD326 also has a number of enhanced features, including greater accuracy, true ranging capability, accurate length and width adjustments in 1 meter increments, and lower power consumption. Our AGD326 is specifically designed to be installed in pairs, ideally mounted between 2 and 4 meters in height. Because the role of the detectors is to monitor movement on and off the crossing area, it's important to ensure that each has an unobstructed view of the detection zone. At eye level, direct the radar so it's pointing at the base of the pole or curb on the opposite side of the crossing. Do remember that the mounting angle will change depending on the width of the crossing it's being installed on. This part of the setup is crucial in ensuring that the detectors perform accurately and reliably once in operation. The 326 radar beam is kite-shaped, which means that a dead zone occurs at these points on the crossing. This dead zone is covered by the second detector on the opposite side of the crossing, so it's vital that you get both radars correctly aligned. Your detector is available in multiple voltage options. Do familiarize yourself with pages 6, 7, and 8 of the 326 manual before connecting the product to power. Once you've connected your radar to power, it will flash red 5 times whilst it performs a self-check routine, after which your installation is complete. All of our new products utilize our Wi-Fi AGD touch setup technology, enabling quick and easy setup via a laptop, tablet, or smart device. To access the device, simply search for your detector's SSID in available Wi-Fi networks and then enter the password once prompted. This will be the product name followed by the serial number on the unit housing and is unique to each detector. It can also be found in the product SSID, shown here. Once connected, enter the radar's dedicated IP address in your browser window to view your device's current settings. The detector configuration homepage will allow the setup of the detector's length and width settings in 1 meter increments via the drop-down menus. When co-locating your 326 detectors, it's important to ensure they're operating on separate channels to avoid any interference. The mounting position setting must also be selected according to the detector mounting location. Select left or right from the drop-down menu so that the image on the screen matches the physical installation. The detection status is indicated via the switch in the bottom right-hand corner, with an optional audio output. You'll also be provided with real-time tracking information to ensure maximum performance and accuracy. Once complete, you'll need to conduct a pole-to-pole walk test. Detection points should plot along the center line. If they don't, the detector will need to be physically adjusted and the walk test repeated. Once you have achieved accurate detection, you should walk across at multiple locations to ensure that you have full coverage of the opposite side of the detection zone. Our product information page provides important version information and settings. It allows you to configure Wi-Fi settings, including SSID, Wi-Fi passwords, operating channels, and an adjustable Wi-Fi deep sleep period. Radar and firmware can also be updated using the dedicated update functions. If you require any further assistance or need any more information, please contact the AGD Technical Support Team, who will be delighted to help.